play-by-play for a game, and I'll just sit here and just hold her hand for it, Rory. We'll give you a break.
Thanks a lot, pal. Now, what's going to happen here? 3 skaters are starting on the line, and a new skater will come in every 20 seconds. With more on that, here's Broadway Danny Wolf.
All right, thank you, Rory. That's right. 3 of the roughest and toughest women here in the World Skating League will start off, and then every 20 seconds, you are right, a different mystery skater will join in. You are eliminated if your body entirely goes into the infield or you're knocked over the top rail onto the floor. That's how you're eliminated. The winner is the last girl standing.
Sounds simple enough.
Here we go.
These 3 started, but remember, every 20 seconds, somebody else will be coming down that ramp onto the track. So let's see if these 3 can last 20 seconds. Abraham is having her hair pulled. It looks like Craig and Conomac decided for the good of each other, they'd gang up on Janet. Did they get her to that infield? Yes, they sure did. Conomac kept the skate on the track. That's good. If her body had gone entirely into the infield, she would have been out. So we have 2 left, and joining the fray now, Laura Weintraub. So we'll pretty much have 3 on the track at all times. Abraham is out. Weintraub, Craig, and Conomac are the ones going down. It's kind of difficult on Conomac and Craig to have to repel every challenge every 20 seconds. You see that Jan clock there, and here comes Stacy Blinch. Hard to recognize her in her Quakes uniform. She hasn't worn that thing in a couple of years. She goes right after Weintraub. And Conomac and Craig do battle. So we still have 4 out there. Doing a good job so far, I'll tell you. And now the Golden Girl's going to get involved. Oh, she's out. She's skating through the infield.
She's out there thinking she's okay. These girls are just going at it tooth and nail. Never once just left them right in the hands of Stacy Blinch. Well, this is just carnage. Things just got worse because Denise Lowe just entered going the opposite direction. That's no good for anybody.
That's like driving the wrong way on the freeway. Francis just kept herself in. Conomac's out. You see her there in the infield. Now they're trying to dump Amy Craig off the track, but she got away from Stacy Blinch. Loden's going to go over and finish that job, I think. She just hit Blinch, who didn't even feel it. Now here comes Shea Brown into the battle. Another 2 seconds left in this particular jam clock. How many we got left out there?
No, the Hellcat brings a garbage can lid. That's all we need is weaponry.
Oh, my goodness. She knocked Shea Brown down, not off the track yet. So Shea's still alive until now. She's been pushed off by Loden. That means the Hellcat and Denise Loden, oh, are they ever going at it? On the other side, Francis goes over the rail, but so does Blinch.
It's just the last girl. Leather Gunn has just entered. They just keep coming, but that's it. And both of those that you just saw, Blinch and Francis, are out because they're off. And there's 3 left, Rory. It's going to come down to these 3.
We started with 3, we're left with 3, and now we're left with 2 because Leather Gunnan's off the track. So it's down to these 2 very tough women. Talisa Miller, the Hellcat, oh, and Denise Loden, who just about broke her knees right there. Oh, the Hellcat's going through her Hellcat routine. She forgot about Loden coming up behind her. Now Denise holds her down. If she can get her off that track and stay on herself, she'll win this thing. Clawing. She's using her cat claws.
Well, Denise Lowe better be careful.